Hello, in this video we will see how we can download and install Microsoft Teams on our Mac computer. At first open any browser. I am using Brave browser, but you can use any browser and then start by searching google.com. Here we need to type Microsoft Teams download. We just need to type it here, Microsoft Teams download, and hit enter key of our keyboard or return key of our keyboard. Now it will show a couple of things. The first link is the download link of Microsoft Teams. I'm going to access it by clicking here and we'll be in this page. There is a button, big button, download Teams. To download this Microsoft Teams, we just need to click here and then it will start downloading the software. It will take some time to download and it will bring us this type of menu. So here I'm going to save this downloader inside the downloads folder and then I'm going to press the save button to start downloading. It will be downloaded shortly, and here I see it already downloaded. It is 317 megabyte of size. Now we can install it. We can directly open from here by pressing this button, or we can open Finder. From here we will see that Microsoft Teams installer is there. Now we need to install it. To install it, we just need to double click, or we can right click and then we can choose open to start the installation, and we can minimize this thing because we don't need it anymore. And very shortly the installer window will be appeared. Here we are seeing the installer window of Teams, and it is on the first tab, introduction. We just need to press continue button, and here it is showing Teams audio driver. So we also need to check this thing, otherwise the audio will not work, and then press the continue button and it is showing it will take this much space. And if you want to change the install location, we can also change the install location, but I am not going to choose that, change that thing. And then we need to press the install button or click the install button. I'm going to click install button, and very shortly it will ask us the password for our account. I'm going to type my password of this account, and then we have to choose the install software, this button. Once the password is correct, then it will continue the installation. To install Microsoft Teams, it takes some time, like 1 minute to 3 minutes. Don't close this window till you get the confirmation message, because if you close the close any of the window, then it will not install properly and you need to start installation from the beginning. That's why don't close anything till it finished. When the installation will be finished, we will get this type of message: the installation was successful, and there is a close button. I'm going to close this button, and then we can move that installer to the trash because we don't need it anymore, and press the move to trash, so the installer will be removed automatically. Now we can click the sign in button, or we can join the meeting if we have any ID, meeting ID. So that's it guys. In this way we can easily download and install Microsoft Teams on our Mac computer, and after that we can click sign in button to sign in our account. I'm not going to show you the sign in account, how to sign in, because it's very easy. I think you know that. If you don't know, you can put in the comments box. I will try to create a video how to sign in Microsoft Teams. So that's it guys. In this way you can easily install Microsoft Teams on your Mac computer. Hopefully this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching the video.